Hi everyone, this is Dimitri Pergamonic with MarketChameleon.com. I wanted to share a tool with you, the Big Money Stock Flow. So this is looking for large stock blocks that that are either 10,000 shares or more, a lot of 10,000 shares or more, or the value of the trade is 200,000 shares or higher in notional value. And the idea behind that is that these block trades are most likely done by institutions because of the sheer size or the dollar amount of the trade. And we want to take those trades and kind of paint a picture of what's going on in the market. Are they moving in a bullish or a bearish manner? And I'm going to get into this table over here and just describe to you what's going on. And this is a list of the stocks. And then we aggregate the block trades throughout the day and we look at if they're moving in a bearish or a bullish manner. So on this side, we first look at the support and we look at all the block trades and the inflection points that are below the current stock price, and then all the block trades aggregated above the stock price. So we consider support any trades that were below the current stock price and then the stock floated higher from there. And then the resistance would be any big block trades where there's executions and the stock then dropped below there would be the current resistance. Now we look at the trades. They could be either in the lit markets where they got matched up, or in the dark pools we aggregate all of them. And over here, let's just take an example. And you could, if you wanted to scan and just look for a particular one like Apple, you could just type the symbol over here in the filter symbol. Or if you just want to take a look at all of them, we'll just have the full list for this example, and then we'll use the filters to narrow things down. On the support side here, what we see is that the number of block trades, in this example, there's 7 total trades that met the condition on the support side with $5.5 million worth of notional value in total. This is the VWAP price. So this is the volume weighted average price of the block trades below the support. So we would consider that in this example, the support level. And here is the furthest away support price, and this is the nearest to the market support price. On the other side, we have the resistance, where this is the nearest resistance price. This is the farthest resistance price of the block trades that traded today. Here's the notional value of all the resistance aggregated. So we could see here there's $11 million worth traded on the resistance side or above the current stock price, and 5.5 million on the support side. So it's a little bit right now tilted in a bearish manner. Here is the VWAP price, or the volume weighted average price of all the stock that traded above the current price. So that would be considered in this example the resistance level. So here's the support and resistance level in the institutional trades. So you could kind of get a spread, and these are the total number of trades that occurred above the current stock price. So once we have these analytics, then we could kind of see how things are tilting. If it's in a bullish manner, we could see that there's more stock being traded on the support side, and the stock's bouncing higher. Like in this example, 2.2 million versus 500,000. And then this here, the bullish is looking at the first example. If there's more value, notional value traded on the support side than the resistance side, how is it moving? If it's moving in a bullish manner or a bearish manner, it also compares today's action to the previous day action, and we take a look at the support VWAP price. If it's breaking the previous day's resistance, then it's moving up in a upward ladder, like a ladder. And if the today's resistance is breaking the previous day's support, then it's kind of moving in a more bearish manner. So that's how we get so that's what this indicator is looking for. You can read it here. The position rank here, this is just saying the current stock price. If it's closer to the resistance level, it's looking at between the support and resistance level. If it's right at the resistance VWAP price, then it would be 100%. The closer it is, the higher this number. The closer it is to the support VWAP, then the lower this number is. So in this case, the current price is right at the near support, or near the near the support VWAP price. Now, if you could go over here, if you just want to take a look for only bullish, you could also see how much the support versus the resistance ratio. If you want it to be very high, you could do that as well. The position rank, you could filter as well. So this keeps narrowing down to the most bullish trades happening that are identified as the big money stock flow, and obviously vice versa. You could use these filters to go to the bearish side. You could filter out by anything in your watch list if you're monitoring, by market cap, stock type, sector, or stocks that happen to be members of a particular ETF, like so. Once you have all this set up the way you wanted, just save your settings over here. So this way you could just come back and your filters are all saved, and you can see anything that's hitting the list that's of interest to you. And the idea here is to see how the big money stocks, how the big money flow is behaving in a bullish or bearish manner, because those institutional orders, that big money flow, can really influence the direction of the stock. Hopefully this was very helpful to you guys, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.